Hey guys, this is Paul checking in with you, and once again, let's go on one of my signature house tours, right? So this is actually, if you love the luxury of space, okay, this is about 1,300 square feet. So honestly, these days, it's almost like, probably a four or even a five bedroom, then you can get this kind of space. Okay, so because this is Monterey Park, so we're in West Coast Rise. It's very near to the new ones, like Whistler Grand, Park Riviera, Twin View. So it is, yeah, it is like the neighbor. And honestly, this has always been a very prestigious neighborhood with a lot of Japanese, a vibrant Japanese community. And yeah, I had a Japanese school who actually rented from me for 8 years. So we have just spruced up the whole place, newly repainted. Okay, so we settled the handover, as you can see, all the handover stuff. And then we did brand new curtains for you, day and night curtains, beautiful ones. Okay, so getting the house all ready for you, all ready to host you for viewings. So probably let's just start off with the kitchen. Okay, so you get a two-door fridge, lots of cabinet space up and down. Okay, so these kind of kitchens, very rare these days with this kind of space. And you get a washer dryer with your yard area over there and a service bath and a storeroom on the left. Okay. So, Monterey Park also has its own, in case you're wondering about commuting, of course, it's well served by buses. You can walk along to the AYE, okay, and of course, it has its own condo shuttle to Clementi MRT as well. Okay, so this is the first of the three bedrooms. Okay, so brand new air cons for this room, and also for the living room, we added a second aircon, so it's nice and cool. Okay. Yep. And then the second bathroom, very spacious. So all the the material quality is still very I would say very solid. Okay, if you know what I mean, these was the time when it's all the houses were really built to last. Okay, and it's really built for living. Okay, luxury of space, quality, because the owner used to stay here, so everything is done up very nicely. And of course, for Japanese friends, you would love to soak in the bathtub, right? Super relaxing. Just show you a little bit of the view over here. So you get ample ventilation, sunshine, fresh air. Okay. Huge sink, huge master. Okay, so I got the mattress for you. Initially, I thought it was a queen. And guess what? Wow, okay, this is luxury king size. Yeah. So I'm returning the queen mattress. A very, very nice, I would say, very panoramic view. I'll just show you a little from here because I wanted to show you more of how it looks like with the curtains. See, very nice. You see greenery and you see the water view as well. So everything is very nice and spacious and open. Okay. Yep. So attractive house. Everything is being spruced up. Okay, you will definitely enjoy a wonderful stay. I will personally take good care of you. Owner is very, very nice and kind and understanding, and we're always at your service to give you a wonderful stay. Okay, so check in with me. I'll do the viewings really soon, and this is your chance to stay in this house in Monterey Park. See you.